Tip of the week.
Last time we talked about using one of these, the air in the can, with one of these, my trusty laptop. Well, this week we're going to look at using the air in the can on my trusty desktop. Right, so in order for this to work, we first of all need to remove the side panel. I'd undone the screws earlier, by the way. And we're now left with the machine. The can of air comes with a straw. Yep. Once ready, slightly tilt the machine so that you can see easily, and then spray. And you can then start to see the holes in the vanes. Points to remember to spray is the processor fan, the graphics card, the hard drives, and the back of the power supply. And if you have one fitted, an exhaust fan there. Again, liberally spray. Be careful when holding the can because it does get cold. And there you are. Hopefully all your thermal problems resolved.